I can hear that silence. The silence in your house, in your room, but mostly that deafening silence inside you. Every time your phone screen goes black, something inside you goes dark too, doesn't it? Maybe your hand keeps reaching for that phone, hoping for a notification sound, a little light. Maybe an "I miss you" text, or maybe just a simple "How are you?" But that screen remains silent, and that silence feels like the loudest noise in the world right now. I know those first 3 seconds when you wake up in the morning, that brief moment where you think everything is okay, and then reality hits your chest like a sledgehammer. They are gone. I know how heavy it is to start the day with this truth. It feels like a limb has been torn off, like you are not the old you anymore, but a shadow left unfinished. But now, listen to me closely. I am not going to tell you the fairy tale that time heals all wounds, because I know that right now, time feels like it has stopped. I just want you to see this one truth. This burning pain you feel right now, it doesn't show how fragile you are. It shows how real you are. To be able to love someone this deeply, to be able to open your soul to another person like that, this is not a weakness. This is tremendous courage. However, your mind is setting a trap for you right now. Are you aware of it? It keeps reminding you of the good times, their smile, their smell, the way they hugged you. Your mind is showing you a highlight reel, but it has edited out the bad scenes from the movie. It doesn't remind you of the times they upset you, the times you felt misunderstood, the loneliness within that relationship. It only glorifies what you lost. Don't let it do that. If that relationship was perfect, we wouldn't be having this conversation right now. Let's get one thing straight. You didn't start existing just because someone else walked into your life. You existed in this world before them. You had your laughter, your favorite songs, dreams you built on your own. When they left, you didn't end. Only a chapter of your life ended. The book is still being written. You might feel abandoned, worthless, or unlovable right now. These feelings do not belong to you. These are the screams of a wounded ego. Just because someone chose not to continue the journey with you, it doesn't subtract a single gram from your value. A diamond doesn't turn into a stone just because no one bought it. It is still a diamond. You are still you. Now, I want you to focus on that tight spot in your chest, usually right over your heart, that weight that makes it hard to breathe. Put your hand there, and don't try to push that pain away. Don't force it to just go away. Just say to that pain, "I see you. You are here." Take a deep breath. Let your breath flow around that pain. Hold it, and as you slowly let it out, let go of that burden of guilt on your shoulders too. This is not an end. This is an invitation to come back to yourself. For a long time, you poured that love, that attention, that care outwards. You always gave it to someone else. Now it is time to turn that flow around. Give that tremendous love to yourself. See yourself not as an abandoned child, but as a hero who is healing. You have wounds, yes, but wounds itch and sting while they heal, and eventually they close. leaving behind only a scar that makes you stronger. Stand up, wash your face. Look at that eye in the mirror. That person is you, and that person needs you. Don't leave them alone. This too shall pass. It really will.